Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia Optima and you want to know how to remove or replace hood latch. Stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done. You don't need to remove the bumper, there is a trick and we're going to show you about that as we go. So this should guys work on Kia Optima generation 2010 to year probably 2006. Some things will differ, some things may be a little bit different depending on configuration, year build and all that stuff, but the concept will be very close and almost the same with some minor differences here and there. Let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Kia Optima or your car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get them for a really good price and quick shipping as well. And another thing, if you have a Kia Optima or other car you want to learn about fixing cars, we have guys, that's our main channel, Auto Repair guys. We have helped more than 110 million people guys. Amazing helpful videos that can save you thousands of dollars. Check it out as well. So let's start on it now. So you can see guys, this is the hood latch on that Kia Optima. What we did, we actually are removing the bumper because we'll be doing engine replacement here and we want to show you a few things how to remove and replace them, where they're located. For instance, horns are really complicated on these cars because one is here, the other one is all the way there. This is the hood latch guys, and whoever worked on that car didn't do a good job because first right here you will have one plastic cover, okay, with two small clips that you need to remove, and all that can be accessed through the front grille guys. So we have to remove the front grille of the car, and we will be putting the video on the channel how to remove or how to replace front grille on Kia Optima. Check it out or just search for it and you'll be able to find it. Now once you do that, you have two bolts, okay, holding the hood latch to the radiator frame, to the radiator support, excuse me. One, now number two. All right. Now, that's the hood latch right here guys, that's assembly. It's very important when you put it together to make sure that this cable, the release cable, goes in that canal, otherwise you may not be able to open your hood later. So what you do guys, okay, you need to grab it and pull it out. Okay, then you need to get that bow out, slide it out and comes out, and this is guys your hood latch. Make sure you reconnect it before you close your hood because otherwise you will not be able to unlock your hood and that could be catastrophic guys. So that's how you guys remove the hood latch. If you want to see, we have a special video why your hood doesn't open or the hood doesn't close. We have a video that explains how to fix that, so check it out, or that will be on our channel. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.